น้ำตกต้นช่องฟ้า waterfall 1 kilometer walk that way. The first level 1,100 meters. Second level, okay, the fourth level 1,000 or 1.3 kilometers. No swimming during heavy rain. Water situation green. Waterfall 3 meters deep. What time is it? It's about 9 o'clock or something in the morning. We're the first visitors to the park today. The only tourists to wake up early in the morning. Stop making funny noises on the path. There's a chicken here. Chicken! Some barbecue chicken. What do you think about that? Huh? With som tam salad. Ton Ru spa fish down there. Up and up we go to the first level. Just now wasn't the first level, just a fish spa. Nice, isn't it? Moss, lovely moss. Wanipa trotting up the hill. Good thing about coming early in the morning is there's no one here. Absolutely quiet. I was able to take a photo of the waterfall without any tourists around. This must be slippery. Oh, it is. There's a sign that says it's slippery. There's a little ropeway to hold on. Keep on the way, it says. Beware slippery surface. Alright. We're gonna wait for Wanipa. We made it across. Now we gotta go up still. We gotta go that way. Oh, quite nice. All right. Wanipa. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh, it's quite nice here. There's a place to put your camera here to take a photo. Another 1, 2, 3 levels to go. You gotta be careful, it's quite slippery. It's the rainy season, so it tends to be a bit slippery. Thankfully there's a rope to the side, so not too bad for a 60-year-old. Good job I bought some nuts. Some nuts and an orange. 20 power coming up. What do you think? How to step? Big tree in my pathway. Use the roots as the stairs. See the sign there? 100 meters to the third level and 200 meters to the fourth level. And this one doesn't look that attractive. There's a bit, probably a landslide, all the trees broke down over there. Nipa walking along. There's a tree here, there's 2 trees. Actually this level 2 is hidden. You think there's nothing there, but it's over there to the right hand side. Go over there in a minute. Trying to find a way. What way? Oh, nice. Yeah, I gotta go in the water here. Nowhere to walk. There we are. Yeah, that's quite nice, isn't it? What's that remind you of? Like Planet of the Apes or Jurassic Park or something? Huh? The other side of the waterfall. Also beautiful. And a mushroom.
What kind of mushroom?
Breakfast. Anyone want breakfast? Like that woman in Australia who made breakfast for her ex-husband and what's it? In-laws. Going to the next level, the third level, another 100 meters, and the fourth level, 200 meters from here. And that's the way up. We're only on the second level, but it's already taken us 1 hour to climb up. So, according to the national park, it's 1 kilometer that we've done so far. But my Garmin is telling me 3.66 kilometers. And that's probably because the satellite connection is not very good. I don't know if Wanipa can get up that one. Wanipa! Can you get up that one? Wanipa doing some knitting. Some rope knitting. People with short legs will have difficulty getting up because some of the steps are quite steep. Kids will be okay. They can climb anything. Just older people. Even I'm getting knee ache now. Oh. There we are. We're at the third level already. Not sure which way we should go. Oh, I think that way. down there. Anyone for mushrooms? What are you doing, Monica?
ดมยาหมอง
Okay, we're going to go to the next level, the last one.
ต้นตาลหินอ๋อ
Don't tell me we're there already. What? I thought it was 100 meters. Oh, that wasn't a long walk, was it? We're not there yet, Monica. Yeah, the sign says go on. Continue walking. This is a no-name level. Quite nice though. I like it. How do you feel?
ตาย
Bye.
แต่หนาวร้อนต้องดูแค่ไหนตรงนี้ลงไปเจอน้ำตกข้างนะ
On to the next level and the last one. I can see a bit of it just now. It looks quite big. Just wondering which way we should go. Which way is the better way? Ooh. Guess we got to go down that way. There we go. Wow.
เอาอีกแล้ว
Wow. Goes all the way up there.
อ๋อ
Wow, that is quite impressive. Nature trail. What nature trail is this? Khao Lak Lam Ru National Park tourist map. Let's go.
ดูจบแล้ว
Yes.
so quick everything quick
Yep.
so your name is Mr. Quick quick or quack
Come quickly.
yeah
After a short walk, we arrive at the beach. What does it say? It says
คือ
trapped
ความหมายคือ
trapped rock. What is a trapped rock? Oh! More exercise for my knees again. We've got a signage over here. What's that say? Stone beach eroded by wind and sea. You don't say. Look at this tree. It fell over, but it's still alive. See? It's got leaves on the branches and they're green and healthy. You see the roots are still planted in the soil there. Another one over there. See? Planted in the soil. Pretty amazing, isn't it? Even though all the rest are torn. Look at this stone. It looks like a face. And you see that? That's a mouth there, nose, and 2 eyes. Look at that. Time to go up again. Oh. Nature trail. Look and hear the water. The water is coming down. See?
yeah ใช่
It's coming from the national park. It's a relative of Jurassic Park. His uncle might be nearby. One kilometer and a half. According to Garmin, we've done 800 meters already, but that's probably not correct. It loses a satellite connection, so it tries to compensate by guessing. Viewpoint 10 meters. Small sandy beach is 700 meters. Exit is another 1,050 meters. So that means we walked about 500 meters only. Yeah, a bit steep. Oh God. Hard Bang Niang viewpoint. What a lovely view. You can actually walk all the way, you know, all the way when the tide's fully out. It's quite a beautiful beach. See how far I can walk around. I don't know if you can see that, but there's like a round stone. Yeah, round stone, like an egg. Look at that. Interesting, isn't it? There's one crab here. Oh, is it dead or alive? Not quite sure. Back on the trail. Next stop, small sandy beach. Small wooden bridge. very stable. Oh, look at that.
Yeah go
King Kong lives up there. There's a rope to his bedroom. Motorbike having problems climbing over the roof.
ไปพี่ธนุกล้าดิ
Lost in the jungle of the Gua Pa. Oh, here she comes.
What
A camouflage t-shirt. The tree broke down into our path. So the forestry department cut a nice little hole that we can walk through. That's cool, isn't it?
ว้าวไม้ใหญ่
Oh. Yeah.
พี่นุหยุด
There you go. There. That's pretty cool, isn't it? The sun is definitely beginning to set. And you see it's quite low now. Yep. Bouncing off the sea already. Let's see. Where's this white sandy beach? Oh. Nice little path here. Small sandy beach, 5 meters. Where we went swimming together,
together
naked.
no I'm not
I am.
you are bad